Welcome students to my next video. Let us see another problem on type 3. So the question says solve d cube y by dx cube minus 7 dy by dx plus 6y is equal to 1 minus x plus x square. Okay, this is a polynomial equation in x, hence it comes under type 3. Okay, so as you guys know, the first part is the same, that's why I have kept it ready to all the calculations. So putting this in the operator form, we have d cube minus 7d plus 6 into y is equal to 1 minus x plus x square. Okay, next write the auxiliary equation, m cube minus 7m plus 6 is 0. So solve, I told you this is a cubic equation and we got to apply here synthetic division to get all the roots. Okay, so in this case we are having our m square term missing, so it has to be written with a 0 coefficient. So I have written it with a 0 coefficient and I have considered only the coefficients of the variables, that is here it is going to be 1, 0, minus 7 and 6. And now by observation we can get 1 is one of the roots of this. So considering the synthetic division with the 1, so we have to start with 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, take the product, this has to be the product. Okay, so 1 into 1 is 1, again add it. So 1, again the product 1 into 1 is 1. So here you have to put it. Next again further you have to add it. Minus 7 plus 1 is going to be minus 6. Product of minus 6 and 1 is minus 6. Sum of minus 6 and plus 6 is 0. Hence here the remainder is 0. So it is a factor, and now this gives us the quadratic equation m square plus m minus 6. So this gets reduced as m minus 1 into this term. Okay, now apply splitting the middle term to find the factors here, which is the factors here are plus 3 and minus 2. So grouping them here, m into m plus 3 minus 2 times of m plus 3 we are going to get. So further we are going to get m plus 3 and m minus 2. So what are the three terms here? M minus 1, m plus 3 and m minus 2 are the factors, and hence the roots are 1, 2 and minus 3. So write the first part of the solution, that is the complementary function, by taking these roots. These are all three unique roots. So you get c1 e power x, c2 e to the power 2x and c3 e to the power minus 3x as our complementary function. Now we will come to the second part, which is a major part here, that is the YP, okay, the particular integral, which can be obtained by considering phi of x divided by, this is the particular integral given by phi of x divided by f of d. What is the phi of x in the given question? The phi of x here is 1 minus x plus x square, which is rearranged here. Okay, I have all, you are supposed to take always the highest power of the variable first in the numerator. Okay, and in the denominator, this is f of d. F of d is d cube minus 7d plus 6. But in the denominator, you got to consider the least power of the derivative d. Okay, so the operator basically. Alright, so these two are reversely arranged. Now let us apply the long division process. Okay, so this internally we are going to take x square minus x plus 1, and outside is 6 minus 7d plus d cube. And you can see the first term divided by the first term is given by x square by 6. Now this entire quotient term, the first term in your quotient, should be multiplied with the entire terms of the denominator. So x square by 6 into 6 minus 7d plus d square. So let us simplify. X square by 6 is into 6 is x square minus 7 by 6 into derivative of x square plus 1 by 6 into d cube of third derivative of x square. Okay, so it's going to be x square as it is minus 7 by 6 is also as it is. Okay, the second derivative of, the first derivative of x square is 2x. Alright, now second derivative is 2 and third derivative of x square is going to be 0. So that term gets vanished. So what are we left out here with? We are left out here with only two terms, that is x square minus, simplify this, 7 by 3 times of x. This is what we are left out with. So let us go ahead and write that here, x square minus 7 by 3 times of x. Okay, you got to subtract these by changing the signs. X square and minus x square gets cut, minus x plus 7 by 2. See, minus x plus 7 by 2. 7 by 3x. So take out x common. Minus 1 plus 7 by 3 is going to give you how much? Minus 3 plus 7. So it's going to be 4x by 3. So this is 4x by 3 positive. Bring plus 1 down. Again the first term divided by the first term. So we are doing the second step here. This is for the first step. 4x by 3 whole divided by 6. So this gets simplified. 4x divided by 3 into 6. 2 2's are 2 3's are. So it's going to be 2x by 9. So 2x by 9 is the second term of our quotient. So we got to multiply 2x by 9 with the entire denominator, that is 6 minus 7d plus d cube. Okay. So simplifying further, we get 2 by 9 into 6x minus 2 by 9 into 7 times d of x. Okay. And then plus 2 by 9 times of d cube of x. So simplify here. 2's are 3's are, so it's going to be 4 by 3x minus nothing can be simplified. 7 2's is 14 by 9. Derivative of x is 1 and third derivative of x is 0. So you got to be careful here. If you want, you can see the order and the degree and the order of the differentiation are different. That means the degree of the variable should be higher, then only you get non-zero. The degree of the variable is less than the order of the derivative. Blindly you can write it 0. Anyways, so we will write these two terms here. 4x by 3 minus 14 by 9. See, subtracting again. 4x by 3, 4x by 3 should get. Every problem, the first terms should get cancelled. That is the purpose of taking the first term divided by the first term. Okay, so we are left out with 1 plus 14 by 9. 1 plus 14 by 9. How much is this? 14 plus 9 is 23 by 9. 23 by 9. You can't stop it here. As I told you, you have to perform this long division till you get a 0 as a midterm. So first term divided by first term, again performing the next step, we get so what is the first term here? 23 by 9 whole divided by the first term here is 6. Okay, so first term by first term I'm gonna get 23 by 9 into 6. So 9 6s is 54. So nothing get cancelled. So it's gonna be 23 by 54. So my next term, the quotient is 23 by 54. And if I multiply 23 by 54 into 6, so I'm gonna get 23 by 9. That is the purpose anyways. So the other terms will be zeros because it's a constant. The derivatives will be zeros. So my remainder is 0. Alright. Hence I get my particular integral in this case as x square by 6 plus 2x by 9 plus 23 by 54. So yp therefore is equal to x square by 6 plus 2x by 9 plus 23 by 54. Finally, our complete solution is given by yc plus yp, the general solution. That is equals to, what is our yc? c1 e to the power x plus c2 e to the power 2x plus c3 e raised to minus 3x plus, we will complete we will add on the yp part as well here, x square by 6 plus 2 by 9 times of x plus 23 by 54. This is the required solution for the given differential equation. Got it, guys? Let me solve one problem in the same part, in the same method. Okay, so the next question says, okay guys, so my next question says, solve d cube y by, let me write this as, yeah, d cube y by dx cube plus d square y by dx square plus 4 dy by dx plus 4y is equals to, the polynomial here is x square minus 4x plus 6, sorry, minus 6. Okay, of course this is a polynomial function, hence it comes under type 3. So let us apply the first part of it by writing it in the operator form. We get d cube plus d square plus 4d plus 4 times of y is equals to x square minus 4x minus 6, where the d here operator is given by d by dx. You want to write this without fail in every problem. Now auxiliary equation for this particular question becomes m cube plus m square plus 4m plus 4. So we don't have to apply synthetic division because it is factorizable in the simplest way. You can apply, see here, what is common in both the terms, m square, m plus 1 will be remaining, and here also 4 is common, so m plus 1 will be remaining. So I will try to factorize it directly here. So factorizing further, I am taking m square common, I get m plus 1 plus 4 times 4 is common, m plus 1 is remaining. So my one of the factors is m plus 1, another term is m square plus 4, which is an irreducible quadratic form. So you don't have to apply splitting the middle term. So we have m plus 1 is equals to 0 implies m is my minus 1. But here it is m square is plus 4 equal to 0, and you get m square is equal to minus 4, m is equals to plus minus under root of minus 4. Minus 4, there is a negative number inside that root, so you got to apply the complex roots. So under root of 4 is 2, under root of minus 1 is I. So we get complex roots in this case. Therefore, what is our complementary function? Yc therefore is equal to, we have first is a unique root, c1 to the power minus 1x, which is just minus x, plus in this complex form there is no real part, only the imaginary part is there, that is 2. So you don't get an exponential term outside. Directly we have c2 cos of this one, that is 2x plus c3 sin of 2x. This is our complementary function. Got it, guys? Now let us see what is our yp. So our yp is given by phi of x divided by f of d, which is equals to, what is our phi of x in this case? X square minus 4x minus 6, the whole divided by d is d cube plus d square plus 4d plus 4. Okay. Anyways, the numerator has the decreasing order of the powers, but the denominator has to be rearranged. So we write it as x square minus 4x minus 6 whole divided by constant term first, and the first derivative second, and then the highest derivative. Okay, so this is what we have. Let us see how we get the long division in this case. Okay, so x square minus 4x minus 6. Now the denominator is 4 plus 4d plus d square plus d cube. Alright guys, so first term divided by the first term, we can't simplify anything, so I am going to write here only x square by 4. So the first step, how do you get it? X square by 4 into the entire denominator. What is the denominator here? 4 plus 4d plus d plus d cube, sorry, d square plus d cube. So applying that, x square by 4 into 4 plus 4 by 4 times of derivative of x square plus second derivative of x square by 4 plus third derivative of x square by 4. So simplifying here, this is x square plus here also 4 gets cut, 2x plus, you got to differentiate 2x further, we get 2 by 4 plus next derivative is going to be 0. So it's going to be 1 by 2. Okay, so writing that here, x square plus 2x plus 1 by 2. This is how you get it. Understood, guys? So now subtracting the second equation, that means changing the signs for the second equation, we get x square minus x square is going to get cut. Minus 4x minus 2x will become minus 6x. Again minus 6 minus half. Minus 6 minus half is going to be minus 12 minus 1 by 2. That is minus 13 by 2. So minus 13 by 2. Okay. So now again first term by first term. The second step, that is to get the second term in my quotient, I have to divide the first term by the first term every time along with the sign. So I cannot ignore the sign. What is the sign here? Negative sign. So minus 6x divided by 4, which is equals to minus 3x by 2. So this is minus 3x by 2. Now multiply the entire denominator by the second term. So that is minus 3x by 2 into 4 plus 4d plus d square plus d cube. Got it? So this is how you have to do. Now multiplying here, minus 3x by 2 into 4 minus 3 by 2 into 4 times of derivative of x minus 3 by 2 into third derivative of x, second derivative of x, again minus 3 by 2 times of third derivative of x. Guys, this term and this term will be 0 because the order of differential derivative is more than the degree of the variable. We will be getting only these two terms. Simplify here. So minus 3 into 2 is minus 6x, and here also 3 2s is minus 6 times of derivative of x is 1. The other terms are going to be zeros. Okay. So what is that we will get here to write? Minus 6x minus 6. Change the signs for the second row. So we get plus here, these two gets cut. Here. Therefore left out by minus 13 by 2. Consider the new sign plus 6. 6 is nothing but 6 by 1. Taking the LCM, we have minus 13 plus 12 is equals to minus 1 by 2. So this is the constant. Now once again, to get the next term of my, that is the last term of my quotient, I should divide minus 1 by 2 by the first term. Minus 1 by 2 whole divided by the first term, which is 4. So it's going to be minus 1 by 2 fourths, that is minus 1 by 8. So it's going to be minus 1 by 8. And you don't have to perform again the product of minus 1 by 8 with the entire thing, because the derivatives, all that 3 derivatives will be 0. So only the first term you have to multiply, and when you multiply further you are going to get anyways minus 1 by 2 only. So changing the sign, even this gets cut, and hence we get the remainder as 0. Therefore, what is my yp? Yp is equal to 4 plus 4d, yp is nothing but my quotient, x square by 4 minus 3x by 2 minus 1 by 8. This is my yp. Therefore, the final solution, that is the general solution of the given differential equation, is given by yc plus yp, and my yc is c1 e to the power minus x plus c2 cos 2x plus c3 sin 2x plus, this is my yc, and now my yp. My yp is x square by 4 minus 3x by 2 minus 1 by 8. This is the final solution.